Good afternoon. This is Jonathan with the National Weather Service in Norman with a quick winter weather update regarding our freezing rain, freezing drizzle chances for the rest of the afternoon and evening, overnight, and through tomorrow. So right now our band of freezing rain and drizzle will continue across portions, a large portion actually, of central and south central Oklahoma. And we should see this band continue to slowly move its way to the east and southeast as we get towards the evening hours. But in the meantime, slick roads and walkways and ice accumulations on elevated objects are continuing to occur. We've got a lot of pictures of tree branches, power lines, with a decent amount of ice accumulation, just under about 1/4 of an inch. There's also been several power outages reported across the area. So if you don't have to travel, definitely stay home. If you do, just make sure you drive very slowly and take your time and give everyone plenty of room if you have to venture out this afternoon. As we get into the evening hours, that band of freezing rain and drizzle, along with some sleet, will start to mix in with it. I know we've had sleet earlier, but it looks like our sleet chances will increase because of how cold it will be later on this evening. As we move to the evening hours, that band will continue to slide to the south and southeast and really impact the I-35 corridor down through the Arbuckles and then also back into western North Texas towards Wichita Falls. So slick roads and walkways will continue to be a challenge as we move through the evening hours here and through sunset. Overnight, our rainfall and freezing rain chances will kind of dwindle a little bit, but will likely linger along the Red River Valley and across the southern portions of Oklahoma and into North Texas. So for a lot of the area, it'll become dry but very cold overnight, but we'll still have some of that rain and freezing rain lingering through the evening hours, or through the overnight hours. Now as we move into Wednesday morning, we'll start to see a chance of freezing rain and sleet increase and drift slowly northward of the Red River into southern Oklahoma. So there'll be this break overnight for a lot of folks across Oklahoma, and then as we get into tomorrow morning, the chances will increase again. And as we move through the day on Wednesday, the chances will build northward. So as we get into Wednesday afternoon, we'll continue to see chances of freezing rain and sleet occurring through the day. And the way we're going to handle this right now is continue a pretty large winter weather advisory for tomorrow. We think ice accumulations on the whole will stay below 1/4 of an inch for the majority of locations. It's not to say it's not going to happen somewhere, but really travel will be the biggest concern as we move through the day tomorrow as we continue with these freezing rain and sleet chances. Wednesday evening is the same kind of deal, but it'll begin to end from west to east as we get through the evening hours. So tomorrow is not a complete a washout of freezing rain and drizzle across all day long. So it's not going to be freezing rain and drizzle all day long at your exact location, but it will kind of linger here through the day and then slowly end from west to east through the evening hours tomorrow. So overall, it's a pretty messy forecast if we've got to be honest. So really just continue to pay attention to the forecast. If you don't have to travel tonight, don't do it. You stay home. Don't try to venture out, but if you have to, just take it slow. And the same thing tomorrow. Make sure you wake up early. Give yourself plenty of time to get to work, and continue to check the forecast in the morning. Check with the local media. Go to our Facebook page. Go to our Twitter account. Go to our webpage for the latest information about the forecast tomorrow. And we'll continually update the forecast and let you know what's happening as it's happening. So everyone have a great afternoon. Try to stay safe out there and take care.